What is up, guys? It is Hayden Bradley, and I am at the River Games here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, where some of the craziest water sport athletes for cliff jumping and highlining and some kayaking are gonna compete in their events to see who takes the dub. So this weekend, it's about to be insane. 3, 2, 1, All right, next up we got some professional high diving going down. Got the homie Travis Sims, and I got the floating pole with the X4 right here. So basically I'm just gonna throw it as he jumps off the side. What are you thinking, fat gainer? Oh, fat gainer. All right. Sure. We just made it out on the boat, and we are going to do a little surf bowl with the kayak. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Next up, we got the Dodds comp. This is the most insane comp at this event. What is a Dodd exactly?
Dude, it's the most insane way of diving. Instead of landing on your head or your feet, you're landing kind of on both. You're hiking and landing in the water just like this, head and feet at the same time. It looks like a belly flop to people who don't know what it is.
Belly flopping on purpose from 11 meters up, pretty insane. And these guys are gonna get the energy going crazy. They're about to announce the winners for the Dodds competition, and first place gets this 360 X4 and $500. Reagan! Let's go! USA! Yeah, brother. Let's go! Now the River Games is officially over. The sending does not stop. We're here at the homie Theo. We're gonna hop in his big blue bus, hike a couple hours to this really sick waterfall and try to get some clips. Yep. Let's go! Doing a little trash pickup here at the quarry. Whoever picks up the most trash wins an Insta360 X4. Cleaning out the quarry, dog. Everything counts.
Did I Mountain Dew? Oh, we're taking care of Mother Nature.
Woo! Bags on bags on bags.
Let's put it up for the door, everybody.